Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another How We Do It. Let me show you what we're working with today. Oh, got some thick chuck roast. Chuck roast is out. Rinsed off, patted dry. We're gonna chop it down into some big ass cubes. Put it in a vacuum seal bag and let it marinate for about 3 hours. For marinade, I like to use a Caribbean jerk. It's been about 3 or 4 hours. We're gonna take it over to the grill, brown it on all sides. Ooh, we get that chuck roast off the grill. We're gonna add a little bit of thyme, some rosemary, and the leftover marinade that we had. Oh, you already know. It's going back in the pan. Mix it up, make sure everything gets coated. We're gonna cover it with some foil, put it in the oven for about 7 hours. Put a little oil, salt and pepper. Get a little char action on that grease. I'm gonna take these quartered mushrooms right here. I'm gonna saute them off with a little salt and pepper. Ooh, got that red, yellow, and orange bell pepper. Sauteed mushrooms, baby bella. Grilled off onions. And if you're curious to see how tender that meat is, yep, you already know. Stay tuned.